Mark from Motoring Motivations. Today we're installing an update or upgrade to Christie's Enchantress 2012 Mini Cooper Coupe in a JCW. Today we're going to be putting on the carbon fiber covers onto the inner door handles because of the accents that we have. They're a thin cover that just uses a thin double-sided tape. Goes right on the cover. So you want to clean these off, which I've already done, with like alcohol. Wipe them down, make sure there's nothing on there. Place these on. Now, we chose the carbon fiber because of the other accents that we have in the car, which are the e-brake, the shift knob, and the lower spoke of the steering wheel. So that these would add some nice accents to it. And part of the thing is to tone down on the chrome so much, so you have little placements of it still in the car, but you change the looks of it. So that's the newest update to Christie's Enchantress, the inner door handles with a carbon fiber cover. They're also available in different aluminum covers that have different colors and designs on them. You can find them usually at the different sites that offer stuff for interior covers, or you can look at sources like eBay just to get an idea, that sort of thing. Okay, thank you.